A simple adjustment to your routine could be the key to a complete transformation in your life. Welcome to Next Gen Fitness Revolution. Here, you'll find valuable insights, practical tips, and science-backed strategies to transform your body, mind, and health. Our goal is to help you achieve the body of your dreams while improving your skin, strengthening your mindset, and elevating your overall quality of life. Today, we'll uncover what modern science is bringing to revolutionize your health and aid in your weight loss journey. Have you ever wondered why most diets fail? The truth is, we've been focusing on the wrong thing. Restrictive diets and countless hours at the gym often ignore the most crucial factor, your cellular health. What if, instead of just cutting calories, you could train your body to operate at its maximum potential? Imagine a method that goes beyond traditional diets and delivers real, sustainable results. The truth is, your body doesn't need more sacrifices. It needs support. The problem isn't just what you eat, but the fact that your body isn't equipped to burn fat efficiently, boost energy, or balance metabolism. But hold on. At NextGen, we focus not only on what you eat, but also on who you are. To achieve real, lasting success, the key lies in building your most powerful system, your mind. The main reason most people struggle with weight loss is their mindset. Yes, it's how you view and tackle challenges that determines your results. Without a strong, conscious, and positive mindset, no diet or workout will be truly effective. Did you know that science has proven that positive thinking can directly influence your body's functioning? Studies show that adjusting your mindset can optimize up to 60% of metabolic functions, making weight loss easier and promoting health from within. It's not just motivation, it's biology. When you align your mindset, your body responds by burning fat, restoring energy, and achieving balance. Asterisk. Now, let's talk about another key factor, free radicals. These unstable molecules are produced daily in your body. While they help combat inflammation and bacteria, excess free radicals can cause oxidative stress, leading to premature aging, DNA damage that hinders healthy weight loss, and serious health issues like heart disease and chronic inflammation. Oxidative stress slows your metabolism, drains your energy, and makes fat burning even harder. The good news? Science has shown that antioxidants can combat oxidative stress, speeding up sustainable weight loss and boosting cellular health. Ingredients like turmeric, acerola, blueberries, pomegranate, and spirulina have been proven to optimize fat burning, balance metabolism, and enhance cellular performance. And here's the best part. Nagano combines all these powerful ingredients and more. From Asian herbs to exotic fruits like camu and mangosteen, plus incredible adaptogens like ashwagandha and Mamortica carrantia. Nagano is the ultimate health booster. Imagine waking up every day full of energy, watching extra pounds disappear without hunger, and feeling your best. This isn't a distant dream. With a balanced diet, the right mindset, and Nagano, you can achieve true transformation. The link to get your Nagano is in the description and pinned in the comments. Don't wait. Your journey to transformation starts today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our incredible tips. Let's revolutionize fitness together.